Hi everyone, so glad to have you join me in this session. I'm Lily Chan, Solutions Architect for Amazon Connect. In this session, we will be looking at how you can rapidly modernize and transform omni-channel engagement using Amazon Connect and other AWS technologies. We will also learn about the latest agent productivity innovations, including new machine learning, speech, analytics, and other channel capabilities. At the end, we will have Francis Loh, Head of Investor Services from Singapore Exchange, to share his experience and vision on Amazon Connect. Data shows that companies with a laser focus on customer experience typically outperformed those who do not, with revenue growth of approximately 2.5 times faster than their industry peers. The more positive the customer experience, the higher the likelihood of the customer creating an emotional attachment to the brand, in turn building loyalty and increasing customer retention. However, data has also shown that majority of companies believe they are delivering a superior customer experience, but in actual fact, only a small percentage of their customers agree. So there is a significant gap. Brands have approached AWS to create data-driven, personalized experience across their customer journey. Using data, analytics, and AI/ML, we help these companies become more customer-centric, agile, and competitive. But one area where many companies still struggle with is how their contact center can deliver a similar, delightful customer experience. With this, we will begin a quick introduction of Amazon Connect. Amazon Connect is AWS rapidly growing, easy to use, 100% cloud-based omni-channel contact center that helps businesses of all sizes provide superior customer service at a lower cost. In fact, it all started more than 10 years ago when Amazon's own retail business, Amazon.com, needed a contact center that would give customers a personal, dynamic, and natural experience. Since this didn't exist at that time, so we built it from ground up. Today, over 70,000 Amazon customer service associates support millions of customers who speak dozens of languages from 32 countries across the globe. It includes all the standard contact center functionalities like skills-based routing, voice and chat recording, real-time and historical reports and analytics. Using a standard internet connection, agents can be located virtually anywhere. And this really plays a big part in rapid work-from-home deployments during this pandemic period. Amazon Connect has the flexibility to instantly scale up or down to any size based on customer demand, be it during normal business cycle or unplanned events, without you worrying about telephony, hardware, space, or capacity. With Amazon Connect, you can idealize and iterate, allowing your business to focus on innovating the experience for your customers. You only pay for the time your customers are connected to the platform service, plus any telephony you use. There's no long-term commitments, activation fees, and minimum spend. Rather than costly custom development that can take months, you can set up a secure, reliable, and highly scalable contact center in minutes. Amazon Connect is also AI and ML enabled by default, allowing you to immediately and intelligently automate interactions, understand customer sentiment, and authenticate callers to improve customer service. Being an open platform, and with over 175 AWS services live today, our partners have already developed over 185 integrations with Amazon Connect, many of them available in the AWS Marketplace. What you see here is a typical scenario of a self-service IVR flow. Likely, it could be a touch tone or DTMF menu or a first-generation speech-enabled system looking for specific keywords. Many a times, this does not provide a great customer experience. Let's take a look at an alternative approach.
Hi Rachel, I'm Sue. Welcome to Starry Telecom. Thank you for being our platinum customer. Due to the recent Wirecard issue, are you calling us regarding a fee waiver request on your late payment? Or do you have other inquiries?
Yes, fee waiver.
No problem, Rachel. We are happy to approve the fee waiver of your late payment. You will be receiving an SMS once the sum is credited back to your account. In the meantime, we noticed your fiber broadband plan is expiring in 2 months' time. Would you be interested in an early renewal?
Yup, I'm interested.
This is an example of the kind of experience you could provide your customers, delivering a dynamic, natural, and personalized approach using intelligent automation. While this is an art of the possible, experiences like these are easy to create using Amazon Connect. We are able to predict customers' intent and present an appropriate greeting on what is she most likely calling about. When the call came in, caller ID was automatically passed and captured by Amazon Connect. Using AWS Lambda, you can easily integrate with virtually any back-end system with no connectors required. And we looked up the caller ID in the CRM system and returned the caller's name and other related info. Lambda allows easy creation of reusable building blocks. A developer writes the code to connect to, for example, your CRM system, and a business user can reuse that integration over and over again inside the contact flows. Amazon Lex, the same engine that powers Alexa, lets you easily create a chatbot that is dynamic, natural, and personalized. Whereas Amazon Polly offers text to live light speech. Next, let us look at when the call is routed to an agent.
Sure, Rachel. We will be transferring you to our customer service officer to gather more details. However, your feedback is very important to us. Please say yes if you would like to participate in a brief 3-question survey after talking to our agent. Otherwise, please stay on the line.
Yeah.
One moment while I connect you with our customer service associate.
Hi Rachel, my name is Alan. I see that you have spoken to our voice bot Sue and have expressed interest in an early renewal of your fiber broadband plan.
In this example, we saw a transcript of the entire bot interaction being passed to the agent. So they have the context of what has already happened and won't have to ask repeated questions. While sharing context is a challenge in many contact centers today, this can be easily solved using Amazon Connect. So your agents are armed with all relevant info and ready to have an informed and helpful conversation. During the recent AWS reInvent, we announced several new updates to Amazon Connect. And one thing all these new features have in common is an infusion of AI/ML technologies. Historically, AI applications for contact centers have been complex and costly, largely dependent on third-party AI or OEM, white label and partnerships. Amazon Connect, on the other hand, uses native AWS AI and ML services, which constantly evolve with the latest innovations. Based on customers' feedback, we are looking at improving areas where we can help agents get the right info at the right time, identify and react to customer issues in real time, and automate caller authentication during self-service. So the aim is to reduce handle time, increase agents' productivity, and improve customer satisfaction. To better illustrate these features, let me walk you through these capabilities. Amazon Connect Voice ID, which is in preview now, provides real-time caller authentication that makes voice interactions more secure and efficient. Historically, contact centers have used a knowledge-based authentication process where callers have to answer multiple questions based on personal details like national identification number, date of birth, and mother's maiden name. This is time-consuming and leads to bad customer experience. Amazon Connect Voice ID allows customers to create a voice print based on their unique voice characteristics and is language independent, so they can be quickly authenticated the next time they call in. This can then be used as a 2FA or second factor authentication method. Next is Amazon Connect Customer Profiles, which automatically brings together customer info from multiple applications into a single unified customer profile, delivered to your agents at the beginning of the customer interaction. Today, consolidating customer data into a single profile across multiple disparate business applications is costly and complex. Customer profiles comes with built-in connectors to Salesforce, Zendesk, ServiceNow, and Mercato. It also comes with APIs that you can use to customize integrations with your in-house applications. Let's take a look at how out-of-the-box customer profiles look like. Looking at the panel highlighted in red, customer profiles can automatically display customer details to the agent once the contact arrives. It scans and matches customer records based on identifiers such as phone numbers and account IDs. If it's a new phone number and no customer profile is being detected, agent can manually associate it with an existing profile, or agent can create a new profile on the fly. Subsequent calls from that number will then pull out the associated customer profile. As you can see here, past customer interaction history is also provided with customer profiles. Next will be Contact Lens, which was officially launched about 8 months back. It is a set of machine learning speech analytics capabilities that can automatically analyze customer conversations. Using Contact Lens, you can identify call drivers, discover new issues, sentiment, and identify agent coaching opportunities. You can also categorize your customer contacts by creating rules based on keywords mentioned by customers, agents, or both. For example, competitor mentions, regulatory disclosures, and script compliance. Using this method, you can achieve 100% QA without burdening your supervisors. And you can access Contact Lens with just a few clicks without the need for any technical expertise or customizations. However, one challenge we hear from customers is that they can't proactively identify customer experience issues in real time and resolve them before the customer hangs up the call. So with this, we launched Real-Time Contact Lens for Amazon Connect. With the automated contact categorization capability of Contact Lens, you can create rules to track customer experience issues and trigger real-time alerts to supervisors. The real-time alerts for live calls are delivered in the real-time metrics dashboard shown here. This makes it easy for supervisors to identify critical calls that need attention immediately. Supervisors can then provide guidance to the agent, listen in to the live call, and assist agent in addressing the issue during the live call. Once supervisor identifies a real-time issue, there are a few ways that they can help. They can reach out to the agent via chat, or they can send knowledge-based article links, or request agent to transfer the call to them directly. As you can see here, the call is being transcribed in real time, so the supervisor can straight away see what's going on without the need to ask customers to repeat themselves. This includes real-time customer sentiment and call categories as well. Next is Amazon Connect Wisdom, which is in preview now. This uses machine learning to help agents resolve customer issues faster. Let's take a look at Wisdom now. Using Wisdom's powerful search feature, agents can easily find the right answers across multiple knowledge repositories. It can also access existing knowledge management systems using available connectors, for example, Salesforce and ServiceNow. Wisdom can use speech analytics from Contact Lens to automatically detect customer issues during calls and provide real-time recommendations of knowledge articles. This results in faster issue resolution and improved customer satisfaction. Now, let us take a look at Amazon Connect tasks. Today, agents often track tasks and follow up items for customers manually. Amazon Connect tasks makes it easy for you to prioritize, assign, and track all agent tasks to completion, including work in external applications like Salesforce and Zendesk, to ensure that customer issues are quickly resolved. This allows your agents to create and complete tasks just like a call or chat. You can also use workflows to automate tasks that don't require agent interaction. Essentially, this is intelligent work item routing, which can be based on agent availability, skill set, and task-related info. Amazon Connect includes a single set of tools for voice, chat, and task, with integrated real-time and historical reports. Task API is also available to programmatically create tasks and triggers flows from any external application and route them to their agents. Let us take a look at a use case now. In this scenario, we have an update to a CRM case regarding a support request for an issue with a customer's home fiber router. Based on the requested e-appointment date time, this can trigger an Amazon Connect task to be routed to a pool of field support engineers who are part of the agent resources. Depending on scale and availability, an engineer is being assigned the task, and a proactive outreach can then be made to the customer based on his communication choice. It could be an SMS notification using Amazon Pinpoint, or a callback can be made to the customer. The customer can then be given a link to his mobile phone to establish a secured video session between the engineer and himself to guide him in the process of troubleshooting his home router. So with tasks, agents have a single application to know exactly what task to work on and when, regardless of the application required to complete it. And just before I forget, we do have one more new announcement. Amazon Connect Chat now supports Apple Business Chat. This native integration using a single unified contact flow makes it easy for businesses to provide customer service directly through the iPhone Messages app. Customers can interact with a chatbot and also respond at their own pace. They can also be prompted to chat with an agent. This is a powerful way to reduce inbound phone calls by deflecting customers to a lower cost messaging channel. Now, nearing the end of my section, let us take a look at some latest anecdotes from our Amazon Connect customers. Best Western, with 4,000 plus locations worldwide, have migrated their contact center to Amazon Connect in just 1 month amidst COVID-19. Leveraging on AI-driven capabilities, they have built a scalable, modular contact flow design supporting 14 languages and 35 plus countries. Next is Barclays. Barclays has chosen Amazon Connect to transform its legacy on-prem contact center to a modern omni-channel customer service engagement center. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the bank needed to enable 25,000 contact center agents to work from home, which it achieved in a matter of weeks. Next is Globe Telecom. Globe has enhanced service levels by transitioning more than 3,000 agents to Amazon Connect some years back. But they are not resting on their laurels. Besides using Amazon Poly to help customers with service inquiries such as bill payments or updating subscription details, Globe also uses Amazon Lex to build their AI-powered customer service chatbot named G of Globe, connected to Globe CRM platforms in a matter of weeks. G supports self-service transactions for postpaid and prepaid mobile users. Leveraging on AWS cloud services, Globe is able to become more agile to better meet the rapidly changing demands of its customers. Finally, let us take a look at how you can get started with Amazon Connect. If you haven't tried Amazon Connect yet, you can sign up for free and get started straight away. We also have a number of resources to help you deploy and optimize Amazon Connect. Please click on the links to find out more. And now, I would like to hand over the session to Francis Loh, Head of Investor Services from SGX.
Hi, I'm Francis from Singapore Exchange. SGX is one of Asia's leading multi-asset exchange, operating in security, fixed income, and derivatives, to just name a few of our products. So as part of our growth strategy, we have now established more digital product and ESG asset class. The challenge now is, with such a high volume activities and time-sensitive requirements, to develop a customer-friendly, future-proof organizations with operations. Now, what we have gone through is revisiting our own process, then adopt a design thinking along the way, focus more importantly on the customer job. Take the customer job is an important element to drive digital adoption. So for example, in account opening, in a traditional process, we actually just merely need an account to start trading. So we revisit this whole entire journey, and hence we provide the account online, a number which they could start trading, and the turnaround of this traditional process was from 2 weeks to now a 15 minutes service. Now, developing the digital adoptions of choice is also important. We partner with AWS to develop text to voice through Amazon Pony for quick, ready information, personalized menu, and prompt. So we are piloting now on the voice to text bot with Amazon Lex to increase primarily the self-service option for customers. Our next building up from digital is the ecosystem. Through the COVID experience, we know that we should look into developing a video engagement and interactions with our clients. So a fast and convenient alternative is required because of large base transactions and trades. So our current setup requires appointment booking. The image clarity is an issue for authentication. Sending a reminder needs extra effort. That gives us an opportunity to engage provider to improve digital experience, and we are partnering currently with AWS to leverage on services such as Amazon Connect, Amazon Pinpoint, increasing the experience also with the Chimes SDK for eKYC onboarding. Now finally on data analytics. As I mentioned, there are high volume that go through and run through the exchange on a daily basis. Now what we are looking into now is to understand this data, use this data to better manage the client's experience, better manage their client's event and the life cycle. So for better resourcing, better business opportunity and planning purposes. Now we are working with the Amazon to leverage this data coupled with the insights that we already have through the Amazon Contact Lens and Connect to create the personal customer recommendation and journey. This is our plan and our journey we have so far.
Thank you, Francis, for sharing your journey with us. Before we wrap up, I just want to take this opportunity to introduce you to the resources from AWS Training and Certification for Enterprise. This can help you, your team, and your business build up cloud competency. Please visit the link here to see what resources are available to help you. Thank you for staying with us and hope you have enjoyed the session. Please complete the session survey and provide us with your valuable feedback to help us build an improved AWS Summit experience for you in the future.